All right, boys, who's trying to go to round 40 today? If that doesn't give you memories, then you are way too young. Let's see if we can do this on the guitar. Too loud for you, bud? You don't like it? You don't like that? Picture this, it's 2009, your mom just brought you home from school. You have a lot of homework to do, but instead you run straight to your room to play World at War with your homies, or Black Ops 1, whatever, some of you guys are younger. And you play zombies all day, stay up till 2 a.m., just to wake up at 6 a.m. the next morning for school. No sleep, homework isn't done, but at least you got round 40 in zombies. That was me. Whoever gets this one is special, because you know what, I'm gonna put a little heart. Right there, dude. That one's just for you.
47 left in stock.
I've already sold half. Wow. It's been less than 5 minutes since we dropped the merch, and we have already had almost 200 orders. Like, that is... That's amazing. Guys, I don't think you guys realize, Victoria especially, worked so hard this drop. We got a graphic design team to do all this. I'm so thankful. Thank you guys. This is crazy. So we're planning on having another drop very soon for the summer with even more awesome designs. So I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Oh, and I was literally walking out the door and Amazon showed up with my new camera. No way. I only got batteries for my new camera. Darn it. Oh my god, is that a modified Mustang? Oh my, no way! Oh god, he's hunting me down. I'm just playing, bro. It's pretty nice. Hey! Dude, what's here today, dude? Alright, GTR, S14. What's up, sir? What are we doing to this guy today?
Another day.
What's going on here?
RB25 that we're in the middle of tuning right now.
Nice. He needs to tune my RB25. What's up, sir?
How much boost is your R33 on?
That's a great question.
This is like 4 pounds right now.
Mine's probably 3.
Feels like that, yeah.
3 maybe. It looks impressively beautiful, just like sitting by itself on the ground and not on the lift. I don't know why, but something about this right now just really gets me going.
It's really cool how the kit, as a couple complaints I had, but the kit, it does let the motor sit lower and further back.
Right, like
because that VQ has that water pipe on the back that goes between the two heads.
Right.
So the motor has to sit. Probably, I think it has probably greatly improved this.
I really don't think that I am even going to have to cut the hood at all, because I thought I was going to, but unless I get a blower someday.
You can put a blower on there and still maybe not cut it. Yeah.
Don't tempt me. Yesterday at the end of the video, we went to Summit and we got a bunch of stuff. Like I said, we decided to go with F-body accessories. I got some like header bolts and stuff like that too, but F-body accessories, so water pump. I'll explain it a little bit later. Done eating pizza. I just ate enough grease to probably fill this LS3 and lubricate it. I am going to show you guys what I got at Summit yesterday. So the biggest thing was the water pump that we had was just way too big. So I'm really hoping and praying this is going to be good. We have F-body everything. So F-body water pump, power steering pump, pulleys, tensioners, literally everything F-body. And then we have, I'll show you guys it. Brand new water pump, very big power steering pump, but with no pulley, so I will have to get that. Alternator for an F-body. Cable driven throttle body that is a 4-bolt to bolt up to the LS3 manifold. And got a cable, which probably won't work, but I'm gonna try it anyways. All right, so I somehow ended up getting the crank off with some pretty janky, I'm not gonna tell you how stuff, but I got it off. I'm just kidding, actually it wasn't janky. The new crank's not actually on yet, it's just kind of sitting there. But it's looking like, I mean, this is not even on and torqued down all the way yet, but it's looking like this water pump is going to be just fine. I'm gonna start dressing up the motor fully and start putting on everything. I didn't actually show you guys this, but I have these really nice billet brackets for the power steering pump. So that's gonna be really convenient and awesome. Nice looking, and it'll keep everything close to the motor. The biggest thing about the Z is not clearance this way, it's clearance from here to here. Even on my RB, there's not a lot of side clearance. If you do a big turbo, you usually have to clearance the motor and like smack the crap out of it or cut it away. So I don't know why Nissan does that, but we're very limited from here to here. But we should be just fine.
done.
God, it's ridiculous. It lines up, and it's not even torqued down yet. That was our biggest dilemma, and we figured it out. Look at this part, dude. I love nice billet things. It's so satisfying. You torque those down, and then the power steering pump goes on like that. So, had to take it off now. Am I crazy to think that all F-body Camaro stuff, it would work together? Like, you would think, like, that should work together, right? Everything F-body, same year? No, it doesn't. So, like, everything has to line up with the crank pulley, right? The power steering pump, it was, like, out here. Like, out literally here. It wouldn't even touch the water pump. So, can't use that. Homie that's here right now with me, but I'm going to try and see if this lines up. And I'm going to use his and then buy him a new one, because whatever.
Like, one of the bolt holes could potentially line up.
One, yeah.
But definitely not two.
But, like, that would work with the pulleys and stuff, but it won't.
Yeah.
And now, looking at the tensioner that I was supposed to get, this in no capacity lines up with the F-body crank pulley. It is an F-body. I mean, they told me it was. So if I gotta bring it back and they charge me another restocking fee, I'm gonna have to smack somebody in the throat.
That looks
Okay,
like a
so
Corvette
you're showing me a Corvette. So I specifically asked for an F-body one, and looks like they made a Corvette. Let's check Ethan's F-body that's outside and see if this, what Summit sold me as an F-body crank pulley, is an F-body crank pulley. What is the consensus?
Crank pulley is different
This crank pulley is different.
than what we got. Yeah, because if you look straight down
Oh,
right
wow,
here,
this is beautiful.
look right over here. You can see the AC belt in front of the water pump.
Oh, for sure.
So, like, that is definitely not the case right now.
So we definitely have the right water pump. That is definitely the
And the tensioner is the same as what you got too, and the power steering pump is the same as what you got. Just the crank pulley is wrong.
Yeah, the best part about this is I'm gonna go back,
You should go throw things at them, man.
and they're probably gonna charge me a restocking fee because they sold me the wrong thing. This is the second time now. Oh, Summit. Here we go. Now I need to put this on, and well, the bottom of this is actually barely rubbing the top of the water pump, so I need to grind one or the other, and it's probably a better idea to grind this instead of that. My fabrication skills worked. I ended up having to like repaint it a little bit. Now I gotta put the O-ring, and this, the throttle body will be on, and that will be something out of the way. Won't have to worry about this at least. At least I know I have the water pump. I know I do need to get an actual F-body. I'm still so upset about that. And then I do have the throttle body, so that's fine. And I do need to figure out something about this because for some reason the F-body power steering is absolutely not working at all. Gasket, throttle body, on. We can rev now. All right, so we're finally gonna go take a ride in Matt's FD. A lot of people don't like you.
Me?
Yes, because of this.
Yeah, I know.
I can relate though.
Their hatred sustains me though, so they can just stop and then maybe I'll get weaker and die or something. But as long as they hate me, I'll be here.
I like that. Nice. That's fun, dude.
Yeah, it's like no traction, you know, through second, like with zero, like
That was starting in first.
first gear.
That's literally like, that goes up to like 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Oh, that happens. I do it all the time. Thanks to O'Reilly for actually, you know, providing us the right part. Gonna put this guy on and see how everything lines up. Update. I'm now drinking water, and we all this is on. This lines up. We got the right crank pulley, harmonic balancer. I stole this power steering pump again, and I actually used the front side of the ICT thing, which was supposed to be here. There's a thicker one back here, but using the front side, it actually made it exactly like we just did some measurements, and it is exactly correct. So now what I need is to get a little, ICT makes another kit that you mount the alternator on. So the alternator will go here. There's an idler pulley that goes right here, and so the belt will go up in here, and then like that. So I need one more thing, but this is, some progress. We were set back by things we didn't want to have to be set back by, but I can say I'm pretty happy about that. We obviously still have lots to do, and we're waiting on a lot of parts, but the goal is, before we get our parts in, to get everything that we have. So really just headers, and then I really would like to have the belt and stuff run by like the beginning of next week, so that whenever the drive shaft and the wiring harness gets here, we can just wire that up and hopefully just get started. Still going for it next weekend, or this weekend for you guys. So I'll see you guys in Houston. At least she's pretty. Time to go home, finally. Watch this, guys. Sorry, Victoria. My foot slipped, and I didn't mean to. I gotta tell you what, guys, it has been a lot of really long days for this Z. It's been a lot of, not a whole lot of sleep, and a lot of work. But I don't want to complain. I really just want to take this time to say thank you. I know I say it so repetitively, but I don't all want to hear it. But thank you, guys. We sold out. We sold out of our clothing, and I didn't even have a video go live to talk about it. It blows my mind, guys. Like, you have no idea how grateful I am. And there is something that I promised myself I would do if we sold out this drop. I didn't say it because I didn't want you guys to think that it was a marketing tactic, but I think I'm gonna buy a supercar. Guys, my daily advice to you, I was thinking about this today. I want to be a huge advocate to you. Oh my God, this road is terrible. Don't be defined by the things that people call you, the things that people assume you are. Like, don't be defined by your parents, like your mistakes, the things that happen in your life. I was thinking, I don't want to say like that I'm successful in this and that, but you know, I had a 2.3 GPA in college, you know? And if I would have listened to how people, and how people would have told me I would have never made it through college, made it in life, I don't know what I would be doing right now. But I didn't. I stayed in my lane. I listened to myself. I knew that what I was capable of, and you know what? With a 2.3 GPA and 0 job offers out of college, I have done more with my life than I really ever thought that I could. And I just want to say, believe in yourself. Like, don't be defined by your parents, your teachers. Like, you are who you want to be and who you work your ass off to be honest. Love you guys so much. Peace. I'm really tired of talking, but I'm just gonna tell you right now, I have 2 videos for you. You need to go watch those videos. I almost got hit by some dude in the oncoming lane because he was dumb and texting. Stop, just give your license up, because that was dumb.